How to send songs in Instagram DMs. This tutorial shows you how to share music directly in a chat on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on the message icon at the bottom of the screen to open your direct messages. From there, open the conversation you want to share a song in. At this point, tap on the sticker icon on the right side of the message bar. In the next step, make sure the Stickers tab is selected at the top of the panel. Following this, tap on Music from the sticker options. Once done, a music search screen will appear where you can find your desired song. From here, you can browse through the For You tab for personalized suggestions, check out Trending for popular tracks, or tap on Saved to find songs you've already saved on Instagram. At this stage, tap on any song to preview it and select your preferred section of the track using the slider. Finally, tap Send to share the music sticker directly in the chat, and your friend will be able to listen to it right inside the conversation. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you share music in your DMs, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.